Okay, today is the next day. Yesterday I took a picture of this locomotive tractor. Here is the train. This is not a real train station because it's not passenger train. It's like heavy duty transportation kind of stuff. And then beside is the bicycle path, beautiful. Tonight is the election debate night. Kamala Harris versus Donald Trump. Anyways, let's check it out. This Paraguayan train over here. Why I call it Paraguayan train? Because this locomotive has the same Paraguayan flag, the color of the Paraguayan flag. Check it out. Red, white, and blue. Well, it could be Holland, the Netherlands. Let's check it out. This machine, amazing, eh? Usually those train doing transportation, cargo transportation. Right over there, there's a company, the wood processing company, and look at that, so beautiful. And soon we're going to start the autumn, the fall, and we start the color of the fall in this area in southern Quebec, in the province of Quebec in Canada. So I live in this town. This town is Scott, just to let you know. Yeah, beautiful there. And there's a warehouse over there. I think it's for, I don't know what is that. It's the warehouse, basically. You got it. So I'm going to the supermarket in the next town, Saint Marie, about 12 kilometers away, 15 kilometers away. And I can say to the Paraguayan audience, Baisha Barico, Aiko Porante. That's the Guarani language. Guarani language say, how are you? I'm okay. Basically, Baisha Barico is how are you? And then Iporante hande means I'm okay, thank you. That's it. Okay, you guys, take care.